Welcome on the session of 5th May, and by the ending of this week almost we will clear up with the chapter, because in between there are two topics in that you need to just remember the full form and characteristics, so that whenever it will come that time I will tell to you. So don't think like that, oh my god, chapter is too long. Main points are there that I will keep telling. Like in the second chapter I had told you nitrogen cycle, pasteurization. Okay, so here previous in the previous session we had seen polymer and synthetic fiber and man-made fiber. Okay, synthetic fiber and natural fiber you had learned in class 7. That also revision is the part of revision we had seen. Here I had drawn concept map, definition I had written, and definition of polymer means small single units combine and form a large single unit, that is polymer. Okay, so artificial silk means synthetic fiber and plastic. Chapter name is like that only. So synthetic fiber. So synthetic fiber, how many types are there? Synthetic fiber. So types of synthetic fibers. So let's move toward the types of synthetic fiber. First one, rayon. Rayon, nylon, terylene, acrylic. These are types. First one, rayon and nylon, both are given in detail. Why? Because rayon, nylon generally nowadays we are using in a huge amount. So rayon, first one, silk fiber was discovered in China. Silk fiber means this silk fiber natural. Natural, I am talking about natural. Now silk fiber, natural silk fiber, how we are getting? By the silk moth, right? So from the silk moth, silk fiber was discovered in China. Now they kept this discovery as a secret for a long time. मतलब कि उन लोगों ने as a closely guarded secret, उन लोगों ने secret रखा, जैसे कि कोरोना का था वैसे. Oh, so you understood. So they just kept this secret closely guarded. किसी को बताया नहीं. And silk fiber they had obtained from the silk moth. Okay, so afterwards we came to know that silk fiber is very fascinating, natural, and we can make the silk fiber from the silk moth or cocoon. Okay, before that we were not knowing. और ये कब की बात है, that also I will tell to you, and that's written already here. Second, fabric obtained from silk. Fabric silk से बना हुआ, pure. Here this 2 point I am talking about natural silk, and after that we will move towards the synthetic fiber. Means कि why we just had to move towards the synthetic fiber. क्यों हमें synthetic fiber बनाना पड़ा? We were not having option. We were using what we were using. We were using natural fibers. But why we had to move towards the production of synthetic fiber? So before that, fabric obtained from silk was very costly. जो फैब्रिक सिल्क से बनता था that was very costly and generally it's not affordable for everyone. Okay, सब उसको अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो but it was beautiful texture wise, means it was captivating, it was fascinating silk. Texture wise means अगर उसका आप texture देखो तो beautiful था but it was costly, बहुत costly था. So towards the end of 19th century, towards the end of which century? 19th century. Before that this all process only were going on, that it was costly, then also those who can afford they were purchasing, but all cannot afford. So towards the end of 19th century, scientists succeed in obtaining fiber similar like silk, and scientists they just succeed. उन लोगों ने क्या किया कि बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट के बाद साइंटिस्ट लोगों ने डिस्कवरी कर ली किसकी, दैट हाउ वी कैन मेक सिंथेटिक फाइबर सिमिलरली लुकिंग लाइक सिल्क. वो हो सरप्राइज. So toward the end of 19th century, scientists succeed to make a synthetic fiber similarly looking like silk. मतलब वो एकदम डिट्टो सिल्क जैसा दिखता था, but it was made from wood pulp and some chemicals. किससे बना होगा? wood pulp and some chemicals. chemicals किसके लिए? coloring के लिए, to dye different color. and wood pulp मतलब कि small fine powder. After that when it is mixed with any kind of chemical or any kind of liquid, तो wood pulp बन जाता है. Okay, squashes type. So wood pulp, but this wood pulp, that is one type of natural source, right? Wood तो wood pulp है, wood है, wooden की जो thing होती है वो natural है. It was made up from the wood pulp. Then also it was called man-made fiber because man had obtained. Okay, so this fiber was obtained from wood pulp and was called rayon. उसको क्या नाम दिया? Rayon. Another term, artificial silk, or another term, man-made fiber. Synthetic means man-made. Rayon and artificial silk क्यों? Because it was ditto like silk. So artificial silk, rayon or man-made fiber. It is cheaper in price. Nowadays it is cheaper in price, so all can afford that. It's durable, long lasting, means once you purchase any kind of artificial silk, रेयन का जो क्लोथ आता है सो वो ड्यूरेबल होता है, लॉन्ग टाइम तक लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होता है, लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलता है रफ एंड टफ के यूज में. सो इट्स चीपर इन प्राइस, कैन बी डाइड इन वेरियस कलर्स एंड you can dye in various color. You can give this different texture, some soft material, coarse material, and use is mixed with cotton. If this rayon will be mixed with cotton, then we can get bed sheet. Bed sheet pure cotton की नहीं होती आपके घर पे. You would have seen that bed sheet whatever your mother is using on your bed, on your room, then उसके अंदर rayon का थोड़ा पार्ट होता है, completely cotton नहीं होता. So for bed sheet we can mix with cotton, and for carpet we can mix it with wool. Carpet जो होता है तो वो wool होता है, ओके, और कम्प्लीटली वूल नहीं होता. उसको लॉन्ग लास्टिंग और थोड़ा शाइनी अपीयरेंस देने के लिए रेयन मिक्स होता है. सो फॉर द कार्पेट इट इज मिक्स्ड विथ वूल एंड फॉर बेडशीट इट इज मिक्स्ड विथ कॉटन. सो दिस ऑल वो अबाउट रेयन. कि पहले सिल्क था वो बहुत कॉस्टली था. टुवर्ड द एंड ऑफ 19th century साइंटिस्ट सक्सीड टू ऑब्टेन द सिल्क. And after that, उसके अंदर क्या यूज किया था? wood pulp and chemical. It can be dyed in various color. Nowadays it is cheaper, affordable, easily available, durable. That's why we are purchasing. And it was similarly looking like, texture wise it was similarly looking like silk. That's why it's artificial silk, rayon or man-made fiber. And uses I have already told. We will see in next part nylon. Okay, strengthening of nylon is superb. That we will see in our next part. Nylon. Rayon, we have seen rayon means synthetic fiber, man-made fiber or artificial silk. Why? Because it was ditto, it was completely similarly, properties were similarly like silk. That's why. Nylon, first of all, comparison to rayon and nylon. Who is strengthening wise? Who is first? Nylon. Then rayon. Nylon is completely man-made. It's completely artificial. Okay, nylon is completely man-made, completely artificial. Why? Because in that, see, in the rayon, for the production of rayon, scientists had used wood pulp, and wood is one type of natural resource, right? But in the nylon, there is not even a single material is like that, which is natural. Okay. So it will come in our points, so that time we will see. First one, in 1931 it was made without using any natural raw materials. Where? In 1931. Nylon is one type of man-made fiber, you can say artificial fiber. In 1931 it was made without using any natural raw material. Natural raw material means any material before processing, whatever materials we are using, that is raw material. So without natural raw materials it was made, it was obtained. 1931. Over there at the end of 19th century, and here 1931. So which one was founded earlier? Nylon and rayon? That you will tell to me. Okay, you will comment down. It was prepared from coal, water and air. Oh my god. It was prepared from coal, water and air. Coal you know very well. Okay, black color, hard substance. Use properly, if I can say, then use for fuel. Air you can get anywhere. Water is, we cannot count water in the comparison of wood or any other like plant and animal. Natural raw material, in that you can count. For this chapter I am telling, water is artificial, I am not telling like that, not at all. Natural raw material means animal or plant, and as we had seen, wood pulp. sorry, animal or plant. That type of natural raw materials in the production of rayon they had not used. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Why? Because in the production of nylon there was no any kind of natural raw materials. As we have seen here, what materials they had used? Coal, water and air. So it was first fully synthetic. Fully means completely. Wood pulp was there in the rayon. So we can say it is not completely synthetic fiber, but this one nylon is completely synthetic fiber. Okay. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic, light, lustrous and easy to wash. These all are characteristic. Suppose if I ask question in 2 mark that characteristic of nylon, then nylon fiber was strong, elastic, light, lustrous and strong. You know very well. Strong, elastic. Elastic, for example, if I say then you are wearing socks, right? In the foot. So elastic means socks material is nylon. Socks are made up from the nylon. So that is elastic, light in weight, not heavy. Lustrous means nylon cloth generally don't require ironing. आप घर पे कॉटन के क्लोथ होते हैं तो क्या होता है, वन टाइम यू वॉश एंड आफ्टर दैट इट गेट रिंकल्ड, उसके अंदर रिंकल हो जाती है, राइट? It's get unmanageable. The second time without ironing you would not like to wear. Definitely nobody will wear. So in this lustrous means कि एक one type of texture कि वो texture suppose anyhow you will hold you will not require ironing. मतलब कि उसको वॉश करने के बाद भी उसका जैसा टेक्सचर होगा वैसा ही रहेगा, रिंकल नहीं हो जाएगी. ओके, सो दैट इज लस्टरस. कोई भी शेप में मोल्ड हो जाता है और रह जाता है. इजी टू वॉश, रिंकल नहीं होती. इजी टू वॉश मीन्स वॉशिंग में भी कॉटन के कंपैरिजन में इजी है और नेचुरल फाइबर के कंपैरिजन में इजीली वॉश हो जाता है. उसके ऊपर स्टेन होगा तो भी निकल जाएगा एंड आफ्टर दैट इट बिकम्स ड्राई ऑल्सो अर्ली. मतलब कि जैसे आप धूप में सुखाते हैं कॉटन के क्लोथ या फिर कोई भी क्लोथ होगा, अगर नेचुरल होगा देन इट विल टेक टाइम. बट इसका क्या होता है कि जैसे आप बाहर निकालते हो ना तो आफ्टर दैट क्विकली वो ड्राई हो जाते हैं. सो इजी टू वॉश. सो इट बिकेम वेरी पॉपुलर फॉर मेकिंग क्लोथ्स. Nylon became very popular. Why? Because it was light, durable, easy to wash, lustrous and strong, elastic. Articles. Now here examples are given. Socks, I had told. Ropes, tents, toothbrush का जो brushes होते हैं that also. Car, seat belts, sleeping bag means at our home that small bags are coming like that, sleeping bags. Parachute के जो ropes होते हैं and parachute का जो material होता है that is also made up from the nylon. Means how much strong it is. Parachute तो strong ही बनाना पड़ेगा ना, वरना कोई भी आएगा नीचे. Rope for rock climbing में जो लोग rope यूज करते हैं ऐसे डाल के, so that is also made up from the nylon, can be made up from nylon. And वो it's very strange, no? Stronger than steel wire. Nylon is stronger than steel wire. मीन्स स्टील वायर जो अगर एक बार टूट भी सकता है तो जब जितना खींचोगे कितना फोर्स लगाना पड़ेगा स्टील वायर को कट करने के लिए. Whatever force you will apply to cut the steel wire, more than that you will have to apply force to cut the nylon ropes or material made up from nylon. अभी उसकी thickness के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं. हमारे कपड़े इतने strong नहीं होंगे but ropes वो भी nylon के होंगे but ropes are made up from nylon but it's thick, so it will be very strong. Okay, it will be very strong, so stronger than the steel wire. So nylon here stronger than the steel wire, completely artificial silk. It is the first fully synthetic fiber. Because it was made up from the coal, water and air. And after that strong, light, lustrous, easy to wash and it's cheaper, affordable. So it became too much popular. And 1931 it was made without using any natural material. And here are some examples. So nylon and rayon. Rayon is artificial silk, nylon is fully synthetic fiber. Differences are like it's fully synthetic, that is made up from the wood pulp. Toward the end of 19th century and year 1931, here examples are different. Over the example was bed sheet, carpet, that all were example here. जो strength वाली चीज होती है, which require strengthen or which require strongness, over there we are using nylon. And especially in the clothes also nowadays it became too much popular. Now over the table is given after this topic. Table is given. Four things are there: cotton, wood, rayon and nylon. So किसकी स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा होगी? नाइलॉन. सेकंड नंबर पे कौन आएगा? रेयन. थर्ड नंबर पे वूल एंड फोर्थ नंबर पे कॉटन. मतलब कि कॉटन का जो रोप है उसके ऊपर आप पर्टिकुलर वेट का कुछ भी हैंग करते हो तो वो ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा. वही वेट सेम आप वूल में करते हो तो बेयर कर सकेगा. उससे ज्यादा वेट कौन बेयर कर सकेगा? रेयन एंड आफ्टर दैट नाइलॉन. मीन्स नाइलॉन इज स्ट्रॉन्गर. सेकंड नंबर पे रेयन, थर्ड वूल एंड फोर्थ कॉटन अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, so that table you will do, that also I have explained. Next, our two synthetic fibers are left. After that we will move towards the plastic. Thank you, and keep doing your work. Take care of yourself.